Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing in home screen. So right now I'm going to sending some random WhatsApp messages from my another device, and now as you can see I'm not receiving any kind of WhatsApp notification on my phone home screen. Now I'm going to opening my WhatsApp, and as you can see I received some random messages, but I'm not getting any notifications for the WhatsApp message. And now I will show you how to fix these, and the process will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, go to your WhatsApp, and now if you are not getting any notifications on your phone home screen from a specific WhatsApp chat, then make sure to unmute the specific WhatsApp chat. So go to the WhatsApp chat and tap on the chat name, and here tap on notifications and make sure to disable mute notification option. And then now on, you should get notifications on your home screen from the specific chat. And now if you're not getting notifications from all WhatsApp chats, let's see how to fix it. Go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot, tap on settings. Now tap on notifications and must enable conversation notification or tones option, and under messages tap on notification tone. Here make sure to select ringtone or volume and select a different ringtone, and then go to your Android phone or iPhone settings app and tap on notifications, app notifications, and here search for WhatsApp. Enable notification for WhatsApp app and tap on WhatsApp. And here make sure to enable lock screen notification and badge notification, also pop-up notification. And now on, you should get notification on your home screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.